In this video we look at how to install Studio and Mate. Go to our website vsplus.com. Choose your language German or English. And scroll down to the quick links. In the quick links you will find the entry Studio free download. Click on it and you will be taken to the download page, where you will find our applications, each in the corresponding version. Click on the download for the desired application version. With that, you've done the first step. You will find also our release notes, which include the expansion status of the specified version. In the second step, prepare the previously downloaded files for installation. To do this, you must first extract the files. I'll do that now for the first application and then do the same for Mate. Done. Now the two files are on my desktop and we can start installing. To do this, I double-click on the first file to install. It can now happen, but does not have to, that a Windows security message appears after starting the setup. Don't let that worry you. Microsoft has tightened Windows security policies in recent years. As a result, such messages can be detected in new or less common installers, even if the software is trustworthy. Select More Information, and then click Run Anyway. The installation will now start and you can now click through, read the license agreement or continue to accept it. After a few moments, the installation is finished and the application icon appears on the desktop. Now do the same for the second application. You should have two icons on your desktop after that. And now comes the last step, the registration. To register, you now start the Studio application. After starting, select the entry, I want to register. And enter personal details, like first name, last name. A company name would also be good. And then the email address. A password can then also be chosen. Please also note the corresponding requirements regarding upper and lower case and add a number too. You need also to confirm the password. The last step is to look at the privacy policy. Click it or read. And with a check on the corresponding checkbox. Also accept. An email will now be sent to you. And you have to confirm this email to complete the registration. The account is now created. And the applications can now be started. In the next video we will show what is still necessary when starting Studio for the first time or for configuring it.